But 2024 November, I diagnosed like I got a high BP and I was under medication for almost 1 to 2 months time. But after coming to the diamond community, uh, because of the practices, because of the rituals of believing in myself, and then the Ho'oponopono, whatever I did, I started focusing on that part. I am like I will not take any medicine.
So, welcome to another Rise to Fame interview with a beautiful energy queen, Rasorika. And she's here to share her journey with you before she joined the Energy Queens community and after. What are the changes that she has experienced in her life? So, she wants to start with health. She's saying that she has improved all areas of her life. Every frequency is now rising and rising and rising, right? But she wants to start with her health frequency because that was the main reason why she joined the community. So, over to you, Rasorika, and please let everyone know your journey before, what was there, and after. Okay, so before and after, we are going to be sharing.
Sure,
But
sure.
over to you.
Firstly, thank you for this opportunity, Ritu. Talking to you is a blessing for me for sure. So, before I come to the energy community, the Energy Queens community, I was having so much challenge on myself. Like, say, for example, I was not finding interest in whatever I'm doing. I know why I'm doing it, but somewhere I was not enjoying it. The enjoyment part, the excitement, because I understand that anything I do, excitement is required, because without that excitement I will not be able to push myself further. So that excitement will come only if my energy is good, and that's when I connected with you and I came to your community as a silver member, and my journey started from there. Within 1 month of time, I converted and upgraded myself to the diamond member. And then slowly all the wins started coming in, predominantly on my health part, Ritu. Why? Because before coming to your community, I was diagnosed with high BP. In the
Okay.
entire family, I used to be a proud person. Why? Because I don't wear specs. Remaining all family members are all spectacles, and everybody has some or the other BP thing and something. But that's what I always say, like, I'm fine. That was my achievement, I would say, for myself. But 2024 November, I diagnosed like I got a high BP and I was under medication for almost 1 to 2 months time. But after coming to the diamond community, because of the practices, because of the rituals of believing in myself, and then the Ho'oponopono, whatever I did, I started focusing on that part. I am like I will not take any medicine. I want to heal myself purely, at my cell level without medicine. That was how I started. And today, touch wood, Ritu, I don't take BP medicine.
Love it. Super
And I
duper.
don't want to touch it anymore till the rest of my life, because I want to live a medicine-free life. And for this, the meditation, when I say meditation, I am a person who is against, I mean, I will not say against, but I never believe in meditation. I'm like, इतना boring होता है, बैठकर आंख बंद करके पता नहीं कहाँ पर ध्यान जाना है. That was never me. But यहाँ आने के बाद, close the eyes for 5 minutes and then feel my breath. That is amazing. I understood that the power of healing is when I have the control of my breath. That is one thing I understood. Then yoga attend करना चालू किया. I forgotten that 5 o'clock, 5:30 क्या होता है. I am a night person. After my the things that I'm doing in my life, I'm always a night person, working with people across the globe and so many things. So now, after coming to the community, and thanks to my accountability partner people, they literally woke me up at 5 a.m. and then I started attending the yoga also. I attended for a few months, and touch wood, I learned so many pranayams, different things, and that has helped me in my health, and I'm consciously putting effort on it, Ritu.
I love that. Super duper amazing. So your health is becoming better. No more medicines, no more BP, right? And thank you. Thank you for sharing this, right? So now, like you said, that, this was just the beginning and you wanted to talk more about the other areas of your life as well, right? So tell me a little bit about your career. Let's go with your career. So I know what you wanted, and you said that you were not enjoying whatever you're doing. So you started with that, right? So now tell us more about it. So what have you started doing, and are you enjoying your life now? Tell me that.
Touch wood. I have got a crystal clear that what is that I want to pursue and what is that I want to ultimately achieve. There might be different roads I might have to take up, but the ultimate goal is one. I want to create an organization of world-class organization of entrepreneurs, starting from me, because one. I am the one who's going to start, and then whoever comes, it will be the starting point is me. So I am in that journey now, and touch wood, things are happening, things are growing as how it's in business. Ritu, I learned that it is not about the failure and the success. It is about my commitment and my consistency. Delay might happen. Business will not fail. Delay might happen. This is the belief I have started inculcating in me. And another thing is, after coming to this community, my long post life coaching thing, which actually was the trigger point during my corporate journey. After working for almost decades, I started realizing that I want to do something. There's something that I am looking for, but I don't know what was that. Then a friend introduced me a coaching karke. I'm like, coaching means engineering, medical. मेरे को वो नहीं करना है. How can I teach those people like that? Then she was like, no yaar, coaching matlab life coach. You have to talk and like that. Then I started exploring. That's how I started my journey. That was park and pause somehow because I was focusing on something else. But after coming to the community, after talking to you, then after talking to Nikun sir, attending the strategy call, I started getting a push that I can do it. So I started that, Ritu, and the sales calls का जो पढ़ाया ना, that gave me a kick. Sunday internship session attend करा, एक चीज समझ में आ गया, and next day I signed one person.
Amazing. Love it. Congratulations, my dear.
So it was like I realized that Ritu, we all need someone to nudge or push. Potential है अंदर में, लेकिन एक तो है कि realize होना है, और दूसरा है कि like I should know my reason, purpose. Second is somebody who can see good in me and who have a belief in me like तू कर सकती है. You know, that was intricated in me by Nikun sir, I would say. So I started my one-to-one, and the way he gave example about your journey, how you started, I am like, let me also start like that. So today I have got 4 high-ticket clients, Ritu, touch wood, thanks to universe. I'm so happy and looking for more. I have started so many things to do in this journey, and one thing that you always say, हमको बहुत चीज करना है, बहुत ज्यादा कमाना भी है, लेकिन हमको पे ऑफ भी तो करना है ना. I have to pay the price. अभी मैं in this I wanted to share. I used to have a very bad limiting belief of money. यहाँ आने के बाद वो भी निकल गया अभी.
Amazing.
Worst case में क्या हो सकता है? Worst case में I will have to leave everything in my life. That is the worst case. बाकी सब तो करना है. That thing is in my mind. And whenever I have to do something, the ATM mantra is always in my mind.
Amazing. Always there's more. Yes.
ATM is helping me a lot. I smile and pay, and then sometimes I am so happy that I'm able to pay. Whenever I'm paying anything, electricity bill, internet bill, mobile bill, I'm so happy to pay.
Amazing. So your relationships with your money frequency has completely changed now.
Yes.
Now you welcome money into your life, right?
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much, Sarika. So you're having 4 high-paid clients, you said, right? So apart from your corporate job, apart from your work, apart from your entrepreneurship, which you were talking about, right? That I want to build a community, right? That's amazing. That's going on. But side by side, you're also started your coaching journey together, and your career is blooming. I can see you're happy with Sarika now. So thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Lots of love to you. I see your relationship with your own self has changed.
Yes.
With Sarika, what I see, who is always in doubt, now you have just opened up like a flower. I would say that. So thank you, my dear.
Your technique of mirror work is a magic.
Thank you.
It's a magic. Looking to myself, talking to myself, and feeling about myself. This is a different paradigm shift in me. And when I'm talking about my relationship with you, I want to stress about my daughter also. Touch wood. I have a blessed child. She has a crystal clear that what she wants to pursue. I cannot expect myself in my childhood. I was never like that. मेरे को तो सिर्फ खेलना था इधर उधर. I was a boys kind of thing. She has a crystal clear. She's just 12 years old. She's studying in 7th grade, but she knows what she wants to. She wants to become a pilot. She knows how much money will be required. She knows what are the kind of things required. She's focusing.
Love it.
She's focusing on her health. She's focusing on her weight. पूछते रहते हैं मामा कितना weight कितना होना चाहिए, height कितना होना चाहिए. So many things she's doing research, and I am like, this is my chance. Like that.
Amazing. Super duper amazing, because it's your energy that is reflecting on her also.
Yes, and this is giving me another purpose that I have to do some really good so that I can help her what she wants to pursue, and that is my goal again.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for inspiring everyone. So anybody who's watching this video, if you would want to just tell them anything about the Energy Queens Hub, Energy Queen system. So if you want to talk about the Energy Queen system,
yes. I wanted to say loud to all the women who are career oriented, who have a lots of ambition, but somewhere they have suppressed themselves. They are not able to express. I would say, my dear, we have only one life. If I don't live my life, then when will I do that? So anything I have to do it, I have to do it now. I don't have the time. From my birth till the death, I don't know where I lie. I don't know where I lie. So I have to do something. I have to do it now. I cannot have that luxury feeling like time hai. I don't know. I don't have that time, I'm sure. And another thing is, I don't want to put my hand in front of anybody for anything that I want in my life. I want to have everything by my own. So any woman on this earth, I urge you that you should become financially independent, period. Don't think anything, but just try for yourself and become in self-worth and financially independent. That's all, Ritu. I want to say.
Love it. Amazing. Thank you, my dear.
And Energy Queen community is a space where everybody gets opportunity to explore first about herself and then explore what she can do in the best way. So for that, she has to work upon herself, and she has to first embrace her best version. When I am at the best version of myself, I can do anything because my wings can open for any opportunity.
Love it.
That's what I see in my community, and I'm so proud of this community.
Thank you, my dear. God bless you with more and more wins coming your way, Saurika. So all the best. Thank you so much for inspiring everyone. Thank you, my dear. Super awesome.